India is quietly turning into an AI super lab, and almost nobody outside the country is ready for how big this is going to get.
Here are 10 Indian AI updates.
Number 7, my favorite, makes every Indian proud. Start with the IndiaAI Mission. That's India basically saying, fine, we'll build our own AI stack. 10,000 plus crore, 38,000 GPUs, national data sets, and funding for local models, all under one umbrella. That means founders don't have to burn dollars on foreign clouds just to train a decent model. On top of that, India built Bhashini, the country's language layer for AI. It offers translation, speech-to-text, text-to-speech, OCR across 22 plus Indian languages through open APIs. And when a startup wants to go multilingual overnight, Bhashini is basically their plug-and-play superpower. Now add Sarvam AI to this stack, India's own foundation model studio. They build LLMs and agents tuned for Indian languages, accents, and culture, not just Silicon Valley English. For Indian tasks, local support, vernacular chat, these models can outperform generic global LLMs at a lower price. In parallel to that, you've got Bharat GGT/Hanuman style projects, LLMs built to talk like the street, not a research paper. Dozens of Indian languages, government workflows, local finance, all baked into the training data. They don't need 400 billion parameter flexing. They need good enough and cheap enough for crores of users. Now imagine linking that language AI to Aadhaar, the ID system used by over 1 billion people. India has been piloting voice tech to let people update or authenticate with just their voice. Meanwhile, 2 SaaS giants you already know, Zoho and Freshworks, are quietly turning into AI-first platforms. Zoho has Zia and other AI features baked across CRM, mail, docs, and analytics, running largely on its own infra. That makes it a very real alternative to big Western office suites, especially for SMBs in India and beyond. The same AI muscle shows up in critical missions. Think disaster relief and security ops like Operation Sindoor-type scenarios. Models analyze satellite images, terrain, and multilingual communications to support real-time decisions. Instead of buying closed foreign defense AI, India layers its own models on national compute. Freshworks does the same trick in customer support with its Freddy AI. AI agents draft replies, summarize tickets, and help support teams handle volume like a much bigger company. Built from India, priced for global SMBs, it competes head-on with Zendesk and Salesforce Service Cloud. If you want the voice layer of this story, meet Gnani.ai. They handle 40-plus languages, including 12-plus Indian ones for call centers and enterprises at huge scale. They're even building a real-time voice-to-voice model, so AI calls don't feel like talking to a laggy robot. Drop a comment if you want deep dives on Sarvam, Bhashini, or Gnani next. Around them, you've got a wave of Riverline-style voice and agentic AI startups for bank, telecom, and compliance. They mix Bhashini's language tools with their own models to do call recording, monitoring, and fully automated agents. Notice the pattern? None of these players are working in isolation. IndiaAI gives them compute, Bhashini gives them language, Aadhaar and public digital infrastructure give them real-world scale. Zoho, Freshworks, Sarvam, Gnani, and others then turn that into products people actually touch every day. So is India leading AI? Not yet at the very frontier, but it's quietly owning the AI for billions segment. The question is, will the rest of the world plug into it or compete against it? And follow for more unfiltered breakdowns of the AI tools that will actually shape the next decade. Because the AI story you're hearing in the West is only half the plot.